guys, welcome. Thank you very much for checking out IPO Market Watch. My name is Mike. I cover IPOs plus stocks already trading in the market. I cover everything. I don't just focus on initial public offerings, although I do cover all IPOs. Example, VSME went public today and it spiked all the way up to $7 for sure. And I don't know if it went any higher than that. Last time I checked on it, it was at $7. VSME, I had done a video about it before it went public, and I had said that it would be a good pre-order since it was available for pre-order on Webull and sell on the first pop, which is exactly what happened and perfectly fine. And a profitable, easy trade, right? There's no need to, if you do that with all the $4, not all, but all the $4 ones that you like, cheap IPOs, sell on the first pop, the profits add up. It's not bad. It's good. So that's that. GLE is going public tomorrow. I have done a full review video about that. Join my Discord if you want to find out about the IPOs that I buy, sell. And not just that, really. The vast majority of my Discord is mostly stocks already trading on the market. If you want IPO information, I give it fully free. My IPO review, analysis, whether it's a buy or not, that's all free on the YouTube. If you want to learn more about stocks, here it is. 256 stock picks that I made so far this year have been so profitable. If it sounds unbelievable to you, this stock picks, I make them ahead of time. I say them ahead of time. I tell my members that, hey, this stock at this price is a good buy in my opinion. 256 stock picks have been so profitable. In fact, I'm so good that certain YouTubers are in disguise. They get in disguise with different names into my Discord so that they can get my stock picks and present it on their YouTube, on their Discord servers as theirs. Trust me, I found out. I already exposed one. You can watch the video. 44 open positions, 94 loss. All right, so the links, you know where to find them. The top of the front page of my YouTube channel, description, comment, and all that stuff. All right, guys, another thing in my Discord today in the morning, don't worry about the 1:08 p.m. I am in Greece right now, so the time is 8 hours ahead of New York. 1:08 p.m. in Greece, but when I made that post was early pre-market in the US. BNOX, I said, and I showed them that it spiked. It was at $1.25 around there. It was at $1.25 when I left that post. And I said BNOX, I left the chart so that people can see. I left the news, what the news was. All right, so BNOX announced positive top-line results from phase 2. And yeah, so if anybody wanted to get in, they could have if they wanted to. And it went from the $1.25 when I alerted on my Discord to go over $5, I think over $6 today, right? And now it's down to $3.53. Either way, from 1 to 25 to 6 plus, that's a huge, insane gain, right? All right, guys, so Globavend, if I pronounce it right, I didn't look it up. Holdings is the company that is going to IPO for an $8.4 million IPO. This company is actually available right now on Webull for a pre-order, right? And if you want to know the name, ticker, and dates and all that, check out the description of the video. I have everything in there because sometimes I get questions, Mike, what's the ticker of the company and all that. I leave that stuff in the description of the video. The company provides e-commerce logistics services in Hong Kong, Australia, and New Zealand. Management is headed by CEO Mr. Wei, who has been with the company since 2016. The company offers parcel drop-off, parcel consolidation, customs clearance, parcel transportation, air freight forwarding, everything pretty much from start to finish. And they've received $437,000 in investments so far. It is Australia based, but hey, you know what? Recently, some Australian IPOs have actually done incredible pops on day one. So the total revenue of the company in 2021, $13.2 million. In 2022, $24 million. Gross profit loss went from $984,000 to $1.4 million, and the gross margin is pretty low at 7% on average. Operating profit loss from $563,000 to $817,000. Comprehensive income loss goes from $564,000 to $810,000, and their cash flow from operations goes from $875,000 to $783,000. The company, guys, has $1.5 million in cash. They have $2.1 million in total liabilities, and their free cash flow is actually positive at $1.1 million. Now, market cap $67.5 million. The enterprise value is at $60.7. The price to sell is at $3.44. The float to outstanding shares ratio is at 12.5, which is not bad. Net margin is at 4.44%. Guys, valuation score is neutral, right? Whether this pops on day one or not, personally speaking for me, I am not going to really care because I have actually pre-ordered some other IPOs that I think are going to do way better than this one. Okay, but for those who are going to pre-order, there may be some of you are thinking about pre-ordering. Let me give my opinion of what I think might happen on day one when it does go public. I think that overall it will do okay-ish. I don't think it will start off and go down right away. I think it will do okay, all right? I think it will. Slight, maybe, upwards. It'll open and go a little bit up from what it opened. That's just my opinion, guys. As always, in this IPOs, I always pre-order and sell them day one, pop one, and stuff like that. I don't hold any longer than that. That's just my opinion. Overall, let me know in the comment section below what you think, and I wish you all the best.